Greetings and welcome back. We took a short break and today we are coming back stronger than ever. We have now some rock decks, I would say. He is playing, like you see, Alphamon. So let's see with BT12 if Alphamon has still a chance or is a good deck before BT13. And I play more or less like a purple-yellow Toolbox deck. It's top-end Venusmon, but you will see what I mean with that Toolbox kind of style. So let's go, let's shuffle the decks.
As you suggested, high roll?
Yep, like always.
2.
2, I got a 6.
Nice.
So I'm gonna start. Let's see, 5 cards. I have to start, so I'm gonna take a mulligan. Not with this kind of hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a mulligan too. I had like only one playable card in hand.
Yeah, same. I had to pass turn with like playing something with 4.
Same.
So, yeah, not gonna do that. Here we go. I think I can a little. That's a lot better. Not a little bit, a lot. One match. Evolve into Tapimon. Draw. Oh wow. Okay, now I have to consider. I probably evolve into Black Digimon for 3. Your turn.
Draw.
Not better.
I hatch Dorimon, evolve into Dorumon. Draw for Evo. Then I play for 3 Ryudamon. I can look at the top 3 cards and add 1 Yujimusha and one card with x-antibody that straight to my hand. I'll add the Rugamon. Rest goes to bottom deck. Combo first. I play Yujimusha for 3.
Okay. Draw. So I'm gonna move Black Digimon in. Evolve into Lady Devimon for 3. Draw 1 Evo, draw 2 from ability. Discarding 2. I'm gonna discard 1 Chaos and 1 Venusmon. Then she swings Security 8k.
Security check, x-antibody, your turn ends.
At 1. That's fine for me. And she has retaliation because of Black Digimon.
Draw for turn. First of all, Ryudamon swings in security.
Checks 1k against 3k segment.
Next step, I play Cool Boy for 2. Reveal the top 3 cards, add 1 x-antibody card to my hand. I take the Dorumon, Kota Domoto to the top.
Draw. Hatch. Sorry. Unsuspend. Always happens. Yeah. So I'm gonna swing again with 8k. Let's see.
Breath of the Gods. Your Digimon can't attack until the end of your turn.
Sure. I play Underdog Fights for 2. With 3 cards, taking 1 Digimon, rest is trashed. Give me a second.
An Angel and a Gatomon.
I take the Angel.
Okay.
Rest is trashed. Yours.
Draw for turn. I'll Digivolve Dorumon for 2 into Dorugamon, putting you at 1 again.
Okay. Unsuspend. Draw. Missing 1 card. Oh, happens. Yeah, I swing again with 8k.
16k.
So I use Unlucky Youth, gain my memory back. Digimon, no other abilities, so Digimon, draw 1, discard 1. I draw 1. Yep, that helped a lot. And a Ditch Flame Hazard. Evolve into Dragmon, draw. Don't think that. No. And evolve into Gatomon for 3, you got 1.
Draw for turn. I move the Rugamon out. Yujimusha ability. I gain 1 memory, draw 1 card. Next, I'll Dex Evolve. I use Cool Boy. Gain 1 memory, draw 1 card. Then I use Dex-Darugamon's when digivolving abilities. First, I give him a blocker and retaliation because he has Darugamon in his sources.
Yep.
Next, I'll discard an X-antibody card to gain 1 memory. I'll discard Oriumon.
Good. 4, okay.
Now I'll digivolve into Dorogreymon for 3. Dorogreymon ability, I place Dorumon in its sources to give him protection against deletion and DP minus. Dorumon skill, I gain 1 memory. Dorumon skill, I draw 1 card.
The dice is just for me for a reminder that he has protection.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make it 6. So.
And next, I'll digivolve. Or should I? I place X-antibody under it at first. Then I swing into security. Use the effect to digivolve into Alphamon for 3. Alphamon when digivolving, I can place 1 X-antibody card from my trash and its sources. I place Oriumon. So it's 2 checks with 12k.
Okay. 1 check, 7k. Second check, 6k.
And then Oriumon triggers, restand, and turn over.
I activate. Draw. So he has protection and what abilities right now? Effects.
Most only Darugamon's all turns plus 1 KDP. Every other ability is during my turn, like when a card is added to the evolution stack, draw 1, gain 1 memory.
So he has no protection against effects, like options.
He just cannot be deleted by options and cannot be DP minus.
Okay, that's good to know. You may know already knew.
Chaos degradation.
Probably yes. I'm just thinking if I want to raise the Gatomon yet or not. The thing is, can you delete anything with level 4 or less on evolution? So yeah, I raise. I move into battle the Gatomon. And yet the chaos degree, you go into 7, I move that card to bottom security.
And the top security trashed is Ginryumon.
Okay. And yeah, your turn, you're at 7, yep.
Unsuspend, draw. Hatch Dorimon, Digivolve to Ryudamon. Next, I play Cool Boy. 1, 2, 3. I'll add Greatmon to my hand. Next, I play Cool Boy. 1, 2, 3. I'll add Dorumon to my hand. Next, I play Yuji.
So 0, yes.
And then I digivolve to Darugamon for 2.
Okay, let's see. Draw. Edge. Evolve into Psychmon. Draw. Not that helpful the card right now. I see you are preparing. I also can prepare for some fancy stuff. Evolve into Angewomon for 1. Evolve into Angewomon X for 3. Draw, recover. Okay, you don't have memory set up, but I evolve into Venusmon for 4. You're starting 3. No de-evolution and attacking and security -1 for a turn.
So I only have on-play effects.
Exactly. And raid, but the deck doesn't have
so
raid.
Then I keep him down there.
Raid safe, yeah.
I play another Yuji for 3.
Yep.
And then I play my Searcher Dorumon for 3. I'll take another Greatmon, I guess.
Okay. Draw. To security. Let's see. I put Alphamon below, so only one card I didn't know. So I moved segment in. Let's see. Venusmon checks 12k to it.
Yeah, then it's your game.
Yeah, because last is Alphamon and second can swing. Okay, wanted to ask, how much did the Venusmon disturb you now the last turn? Because I saw you preparing with all the tamers, so that I...
Well, I didn't have my full setup yet, so it did not disturb me as much.
Oh, okay.
If I would have survived this turn, I would have had everything.
Okay, I see.
Because the UGs would have given me 3 extra memories, the 3 extra draws. The 3 cool boys would have given me another 3 extra memory and 3 extra draws because I had the Dexterugamon.
Yeah, tons of memory, tons of draws, I see. Yeah, I just want to play preemptive and save before you can do the... Or you can... I kill you turn.
Yeah, I mean... The best card to have against you is Congo.
Yeah, I was lucky that you didn't have it at the time where I swinged. Okay, Lady Devon cost 8, but at that moment where it made out.
Yeah, many people prefer to play 2 Breath of the Gods and 1 Congo. I play it the other way around. Just because, well, in our player scene here, most of the people play decks with many small Digimon with 7 or lower play cost.
Yeah, like Hunters.
Yeah, and we have many recovery fans. So yeah, so basically for our local scene, 2 Congo fits better.
Yeah, can see that.
I want to go first.
You want to start? Okay, so I can check my hand.
Let's go. I hatch Dorimon, evolve it into Dorumon. And then I play Ryudamon for 3. 1, 2, 3. At least I can add x-antibody to my hand.
Yep. Is something... Hatch. I work on Segmon. Segmon successfully, and I play Takashi and Kamiya for 4, you at 1. Yeah, that's the thing. If you swing, I get in memory.
Wait, no, I don't do it. I just pass turn.
Okay.
Because I can't do...
Use display right now. Angel Woman for 6, use 3, and Security Minds 2.
Alright.
Plus else I had to give him more memory than just playing this and searching.
Move out. Digivolve for 3 into Dexterugamon. Dexterugamon ability. I can discard an x-antibody card to gain 1 memory, but he does not get blocker retaliation.
Ah, okay, just memory. Okay.
I place x-antibody under it, so Dorumon and Dorimon trigger.
So you prefer more the draw and game memory over the ability, I see.
Next I play Cool Boy. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I needed it. Alphamon. And next I'll Digivolve into Greatmon for 3. Greatmon skill, I mill the top 3 cards, and I can add 1 card with Alphamon in its name, and another x-antibody card among them I can place in the Digivolution source. So I take Alphamon to my hand and place Oriomon in the Digivolution source.
I'm just evolving Venusmon, setting 1, I draw 1. And the ability is active for a turn. Let's see how 9 she has.
I don't have a rookie right now, so I just evolve into Alphamon for 3.
Just Alphamon, let's see. Draw. Okay. Alphamon has no blocker, right?
No.
Okay. Nothing has blocker,
nope.
No ability on my side.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, let's move up Segmon in, because I don't think you have anything in the deck that can kill from security. but not that I can remember from Alphamon, so I'm gonna swing 12k. Give me a second. 2 hits and minus 1k on him.
Greatmon, Congo.
Okay, Cyclone isn't allowed to attack.
And no recovery.
Quite annoying.
So, no chaos degradation, my dude.
Okay, I'm just playing Analog U for 2. 3 revealing. Finally a cat. Do I need a cat? That's the thing. I need the little cat.
Yeah.
Exactly. Venusmon and TK. Oh no, wait, they are getting trashed.
Sorry for being random.
That's fine. Yeah, I have to. Calling on Psychmon. So, dice. Using calling for Psychmon to my hand. The Mare triggers. Draw 1, trash 1. Flame Health Size, and you had 1.
Annoying.
Yeah, I hope so. I want to give you at least memory as possible. So you can't, I hope so can't, OTK me.
I Digivolve into Alphamon or Yukon for 3. That would kill your...
Highest cost, yeah. He doesn't have security +1 or
nope.
Okay, so yeah, he dies.
End of turn. Yeah. 3. Those go under the deck.
So we're going to 1. Yep.
Yes. So then I can just attack with 16. Low.
Give me a second. I probably can't resolve the Mimera if I think right, because I took back Psychmon, so he doesn't activate his own deletion because he has no inherited, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So I have to let him keep in the trash because I already drew it to be right. So I was mistaken, so now it's anything right. I put him back to trash because I want to use the Dimimeramon. That's the right order in this way.
16.
Only 16. No triggers, minus 6k. Yep, I playing Angewomon, minus 2 security hits.
He restands Curse of Oriomon.
Yep.
And Digivolve and Raising to the Rugamon for 2.
Okay. Activate, draw, doesn't activate. Catch. Oh, I draw another Psychmon. Finally. Because the Psychmon stay in trash. Proof. Blocker? Or anything?
No.
Okay. 6k restance. What's inherited from the level 5?
End of attack, I can delete a Digimon with play cost 5 or lower.
5 or lower, okay.
But only when it has Alphamon in its name.
What's the worst case? What could happen? You just have to cast degradation. You're going to 7. I
Immediately trash him.
Let me think. Yeah, trash him. So top security and trash, yeah.
Because 16 is too much.
Yeah, exactly. I was checking if I have anything higher, but nope, no possibility for this deck.
Then draw for turn. I keep him raising. I play Yuji for 3. Then I play Kota for 4. Kota skill. I reveal the top 4.
There's another
deck. And I can add 1 x-antibody to my hand. I need to pass turn.
Just pass. I draw. There's memories. Yeah, there's memories.
He's a memory setter.
So I'm gonna move him in. Let me check. Yeah, I'm gonna swing with 3k.
Another Yuji.
Uh-oh. I'm in danger. I'm in great danger. Another analog U, reveal 3, okay. Legatomon or Psychmon. I should pick Legatomon. Rest is trashed. It doesn't die, that's fine. Tapimon, you're 3 because of your tamer.
Alright, draw for turn. I raise the Rugamon. The 2 Yuji give me 2 memory and 2 additional cards. Then Dex evolve the Rugamon to Dex the Rugamon. I'll activate Cool Boy, gain 1 memory, draw 1 card. Then I give him Blocker Retaliation and use his effect. I discard Hishiayumon to gain an additional memory.
You're at 7, yep.
Next, I Digivolve to Dorogreymon for 3. Dorogreymon skill. I place Doromon in its Digivolution sources, so I gain 1 memory, draw 1 card. Next, I'll Digivolve into Alphamon for 3. Alphamon effect, Digivolve, but it doesn't work.
Yep.
First, let me place an Oriomon in its Digivolution sources. Then I Digivolve into Alphamon or Yukon for 3. I kill your Antivomon with it. Then his end of turn effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to 4. In that exact same order. Gonna swing for 2 checks because of Dorogreymon.
Do you want to use you? No, you don't want to use UG yet. Yep. Check 1. He's more than 15. Check 2. Yep, nothing.
Restand, swing again, suspend Yuji, place Oriomon.
1 check, Gatomon, 2nd check, Megiddomon.
Restand, swing for game.
Yeah. Yep, that's what I said. I'm in danger. Yeah, luckily you didn't hit Digimon here, but I didn't draw any Venusmon or something else level 6. So I hope for the best.
It's still fun to see that one of my most favorite Digimon is still viable.
So you're gonna start, let's see, game 3.
I hope my hand is pretty... Oh, yeah, I can work with that. So I hatch Doraemon, Digivolve it to Ryudamon, and play Yuji for 3.
Draw. Fetch. Evolve into Tapirmon. Draw. Okay, I'm doing something differently now. Gatomon for 5 and had the chance the last 2 games to play it. Yeah, only on Cyclone. And she already missed. Flamethrower's on top.
Draw for turn.
Nearly missed. No yellow card.
Annoying. I just have to Digivolve into a Dexter Rugamon again.
I'm at 2? 1?
1, yes.
Okay, draw. I move Tapirmon in. I swing with 2k.
1k.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, most of nearly all of my rookies are on the weaker side.
What can I do? I don't want to give you too much memory. Turn pass, you start at 3. Everything else, I wouldn't play. Evolving right now that early doesn't make any sense, I think. But I can try a little bit pressure. For 1, no recovery, draw. Evolve into Venusmon, start at 4, draw ability.
Annoying. Just a little buddy.
Draw. Hatch. Evolve into Psychmon, draw. And at 2, I'm swing first with Tapirmon.
Cool Boy. I'll add the Rugamon to my hand. Placing Cool Boy on top.
Also swing Venusmon, 12, just 1.
Cool Boy. Adding Doromon to my hand.
So seems like you have those already in hand. AO2 security. I have 3 attackers next turn. You need to respond. So I have to. If I set you to 1, you start at 2. With 2, you can evolve into Alphamon, but you don't gain memory back. You need to evolve into something with 5, a same level. 2, move in, maybe evolve Digimon in something for 2, then X evolution, going back to 2. Doesn't work, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I just evolve Psychomon to Black Digimon, you start 1.
Alright.
It's up for best.
Draw for turn. I raise Hishiayomon. Yuji gives me 1 memory and 1 draw. Now I'm gonna do what's considered a pro gamer move. Hishiayomon attacks. I'll activate Yuji Musha effect to place Oriomon in its Digivolution sources. Now Hishiayomon's effect triggers. When a card is placed in its Digivolution sources, it can digivolve in a card with x-antibody in my hand. And when it digivolves with this method, the Digivolution cost is reduced by 1.
Okay, so probably Alphamon for 2?
Yes.
Okay.
Alphamon for 2, and I Dorimon for a draw.
For 2, yep.
I need to draw for Digivolution. And Alphamon ability. Digivolve 1.
Okay. Does he have security +1 or anything?
No, nothing like that. So 1 check.
1 check 11 hits.
1 check 12.
Okay. 12.
Oh no, not 12. Sorry. No.
But just nothing.
He restands now.
Yeah.
Exactly. And Jawomon is deleted.
Oh yeah, true. Thank you.
And then the end of turn. 1.
I guess you want to start.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Even 5, okay. You start 2. Back at 2.
I just place them in the order where I place them on the board. Well, you can swings.
1 check 16, right? Digimon, nothing.
Then I digivolve the Dorimon on board for 2 into the Rugamon.
He has blocker, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I play another Dorimon for 3. Dorimon effect. 1, 2, 3. Only can add Ginryumon to my hand. Combo at the top.
Okay.
Because of Hishiayomon, reboot.
Okay. Blocker, nothing. Okay. Unsuspend. Draw. Okay, let's see. What can I do? I move a Digimon in. For 2. Dexmon. So, yeah, exactly. Just level 5 is on the board, stays on the board. Swing first with Tapimon. Let's see.
6k.
Okay, Tapimon, draw 1. Demon Mirror, draw, discard. Like trashing, and look. Youth. Do I want to be greedy? Yes or no? Okay, let me calculate again. I have 2 options. I can set you at 1 memory. You can evolve, like you did before, with 2 cost, if you have. But I started 1. Can't really do anything, I think. Alphamon would Digivolve Black Digimon, doesn't matter. Dexmon will still kill. Or I give you tons of memory. But you have nothing on board and you need to rebuild. Can you rebuild with tons of memory? You can if you have the hand. Oh. Then I play it safe. Unlock youth, you start 1, 3. I can only take Tapimon, trash 2 tamers. Let's see. Let's see. The second option for the viewers was this.
I mean, I can try. Attack. Using Yuji. Place Ginryomon under it. Doraemon effect.
Draw one.
One check.
Yep. Checks 2k.
Wow. But I did not draw into a level.
Level 6.
Level
2.
6.
Okay.
Exactly. So play him.
Yep.
3. There would have been the level 6.
Alphamon, okay, I see. So my hint cards no level 6. Okay. Yeah, end of turn, Dexmon. Yeah, you already did. Thank you. Draw, hedge, obligatory, draw, hedge, evolve. Then I probably can safely swing. I try first with Blackguard Tomon, 6k.
12.
Yeah. Dice, but def X for
Yep.
game. The other thing, maybe you already noticed, was the chaos degree, setting to 7. But if I calculated right, a level 3, a level 2, gain memory back if you have a dex evolution, so 2 back, then another 3.
Funny thing is, if you had played the Chaos Degradation,
Okay.
I would have been in such a good place. I would have cleared your board
Okay.
and even had the setup to create my bounce immunity.
Okay, I see.
So it was
A wise decision.
It was a wise decision to choke me on 1 instead of playing the Chaos.
Yeah, that's wise. I'm thinking loud out and calculating also loud out. Because it helps sometimes the viewers to understand why I'm doing these moves, and that's what I did. Just I had the option to set you at 1 or to 7. Chaos degree, yeah, would move your board, setting you to no Digimons in play, but the possibility you had because of your 2 analog cubes, not analog cubes, cool boys.
And I had many searchers
Exactly.
in my hand, so yeah, it was a wise decision to choke. Yes.
Ooh, okay, that was a rough game. Also from my side, even it doesn't show like that.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of funny to see that a deck many people consider dead is still giving grievances to some matchups.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what we play for the next game, and see you soon. Bye!